Guys, welcome back to Jakeily's World and another video.
And Caden's World, because this is a Caden's.
Yeah. Okay. Today my brother's gonna do my makeup.
Okay.
My little brother's gonna do my makeup, blah blah blah. And his name is Caden.
Hey, Agni.
Okay.
My name is Caden, and I'm 4.
He's 4 now.
So I'm a grown up.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wait,
You're gonna put first. Show them.
foundation.
Foundation. Open it. Give me a hand. Hey, girl. It's okay. Don't mind his face.
Oh. That's cool.
You're gonna have to put more. He puts more. God, it's on my hand. Can you get away? Do you have wipes?
I need more.
You didn't know you don't. Okay, get it.
You know now? No, you're good. Are you sure? Now you're inside of your mouth. Yeah, okay.
Okay. No, don't lick it. Okay, I'll do it.
I'll do it. Okay. Now I'm doing that first.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on my hand because that's my brother. Put it on there. Beep, beep. Okay, now put it on my face. Kaden, put it on my face.
Okay.
It's cold. No, pat it on my face. Kaden, do my other side, Kaden.
Okay.
Is someone all cute, Caden?
I don't have to do makeup.
It's okay.
Okay.
This is easy for me. So I'm gonna try this. While I'm just careful. I open this. Oh, you open it right here.
Look.
Okay.
See.
I'm putting blush on it. Look. So this is the blush thing.
No, just put it. I look like a skeleton. I'll hold it for you. I'll do it for you.
I want to do it by myself.
Okay. I'll just hold it for you, okay? I'll just hold it for you. This is crazy. Okay, now the other side.
I said look it. Cody, I can do it by myself. Look.
Good job.
Oh.
You want
Eyeshadow.
eyeside? Ta-da! Okay, no, open it. Let me open it for you.
I'll pick your favorite color.
Glue? Okay, I'll put it on. Okay?
No, I'll put it
I'll
on.
hold this for you.
Okay.
Don't do it with the brush, just splatter. Yeah, like that.
Your eyebrows. Your favorite color. Eyebrow.
Not my eyebrows. It's my eyeballs. My eye.
Okay. Oh, I'll put weird. Let me see that, please.
It's okay. Just and
Are you picking all colors?
and put just one more. Just this one, okay?
No, it's... That's enough.
I'm scared. On my eyes, like that, right here.
Or dead right.
That's how Kimmy's gonna be when she sees my makeup. Now my other eye.
Hey.
Let me see myself. This is only a little bit. I can hold this for you.
Okay, it's rainbow.
I'll hold this for you.
It's rainbow.
Oh God.
Oh God.
I'm sorry.
Now let's rainbow. Now look at this. You put one.
Put it on my eye. You said one more. You want one more? Okay.
No, oh, dude. Here.
There I go putting makeup. Don't see.
Okay.
This eye is better, right? I can't even see it. Nobody can see. Oh, you're ruining it.
It's okay.
I'll do it.
It's okay.
Don't do the patty. Okay, put it on my eye. What eye? Right, and then you finish. Then you're gonna do another thing, okay? It's the next thing now.
Look, beautiful. Beautiful.
What a filler.
But how you put it on yourself?
Kid is not show them.
With this?
So,
Oh, that.
that is the right one. So this one is gel eyeshadow. So he's gonna put it right here. Which color? Can I pick the color?
No, I don't pick my favorite.
I want to pick this one.
Fine. That's your favorite color now?
Yeah. Put it right here. Let me see that. Can you pat it there? That's right. And can we do this better?
I'm patting.
No, the other eye. There.
Which I get? I'll pat yours, boy.
I can't see it.
Oh,
You
dear.
don't have the lipstick. Okay, that's good.
What are you doing?
I hurt myself. That's the. I'm about to do this, right? I'm about to do this. Like, oh my God. It's lipstick, guys. I put it on the other side.
Wait,
Here.
my lips. He did this before on me. Let me put it.
Here, girl. I like you. Beautiful. Look it. Look it. Look it.
That looks beautiful.
I know. Is this a mascara?
Mascara. We're gonna put it here. Eyelashes. Eyelash. No, me. So another. Yeah.
The other eye now.
That's hurting me.
Good job.
Scratchy, right?
Mm-hmm.
I never see. Confused.
Now let's scratch.
Wow.
Swing.
Good job.
It's fun, right?
Now concealer. Kaden, you're gonna. No, it's not jewelry yet. Kaden, you're gonna do this.
Go.
Right here. Right here. Yeah. And right here. Right here. Right here. And now you're gonna pat it in with this one. This one's the one you have to. You're gonna use it like that. Just like foundation. Let's just. Can it do it? Yeah, can you have it?
I'm gonna get out of here because I'm tired. I'm leaving because I'm tired.
Next is the jewelry. Kaden, you have to do my jewelry.
Okay, he left.
Okay. This is my makeup, and I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna put my jewelry first, and then I'm gonna end the video.
I wanna do that.
Okay, close your eyes and pick.
The next one. How you do it?
Put it on my neck.
Oh, how you do it?
Okay. Ding, 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 ding.
Ears. Nice. Now you're.
That's only one thing. What you do?
Now you're beautiful. No, you need to be fastened, Jen.
Where do you put this?
Okay, turn right.
No, it's not, Kaden.
Oh, it is.
How is it turned on? Oh, I put it upside down.
Oh, your ears, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now you're fastened. Now it's done. Oh.
What do you think? Did we do a good job or a bad job?
You like the video?
Yes, they did.
I'll give a big thumbs up if he did it right.
And you're stupid, guys.
No.
I say it
Cut
on
that
the
part out,
microphone.
okay?
I say it on the microphone because they're in there.
Mm-hmm. That's not nice. What do you call them?
Thanks for
We're joking.
watching. Bye.
I'm joking, guys.